Welcome to my class in Advanced Accounts for BCom second year, third semester. Here in unit number 2, we have a topic of insolvency of partner. Today, let us see one problem solving according to Garner versus Murray case. See, my dear student, there are three partners A, B, C who share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:5. They have given the balance sheet also. C became insolvent. The partnership business was dissolved. The assets realized stock 14,000, debtors 6,000, machinery 12,000. A took furniture at agreed value of 3,000. He also agreed to pay bills payable. The creditors were paid at a discount of 5%. The realization expenses were 1,000. Show the ledger accounts as per Garner vs. Murray case. Rupees 540 is recorded from C's estate. My dear students, you see, when the partner become insolvent, what we have to do is, we have to prepare a realization account. Means there is a trading loss that should be distributed between all the partners. Hope you are copying the question. Yeah, who became insolvent means Mr. C became insolvent. My dear students, you can see. Who became insolvent? C become insolvent. Hope you have copied, my dear students. Hope you have copied. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Mr. A, he took furniture for 3,000 and he agreed to pay bills payable also. My dear students, now the very first account what we prepare is realization account. We have to transfer all the assets to the debit side and creditors and bills payable to the credit side. The assets were sold, stock 14,000, debtors 6,000 and machinery 12,000, 32,000. A took over furniture 3,000, I have written, and the creditors were paid off at a discount of 5%. 24,000 minus 1,200, 22,800. Mr. A, who paid bills payable? The realization expenses were given as 1,000. In the question only, you will find the realization expenses were rupees 1,000. It's given. Okay. Now what we have to do is, just we have to prepare a realization account, my dear students. A realization account we have to prepare. And after realization account, we have to prepare partners capital accounts. This is capital of Mr. A 15,000, capital of B 10,000, capital of C 3,000. My dear students, in realization account we got loss. The loss, if I distributed, this is the share of loss, 5340, 3560, 8,900. Here the insolvent partner is Mr. C. ఇక్కడ ఒక రూల్ ఉందమ్మా. ఈ రూల్ ప్రకారం ఏంటంటే అమ్మా, the solvent partners, అంటే those who are not insolvent, what they have to do is, they have to introduce their share of realization loss in cash. ఈ లాస్ని క్యాష్ రూపంలో తేవాలమ్మా. ఏ అండ్ బి వాళ్ళు సాల్వెంట్ అనమాట. అండ్ సి ఎస్టేట్ నుంచి కూడా మనకి 540 రూపీస్ రికవర్ అయిందమ్మా. ఇఫ్ యూ సీస్ అకౌంట్ 8,900, 8,900 మైనస్ ఈ 3 మైనస్ చేస్తే ఆయన అకౌంట్లో డెఫిషియన్సీ ఎంత ఉందమ్మా? 2,360. అకార్డింగ్ టు గార్నర్ వర్సెస్ ముర్రీ కేస్, వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఈస్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ క్యాపిటల్ రేషియో. Here capital of Mr. A is 15,000, capital of B is 10,000. 3:2. If you cut 3 zeros, 5 3s are 5 2s are. So ఆయన అకౌంట్లో డెఫిషియన్సీ 2,360 into 3/5, 2/5. In capital accounts again the same amount is being debited. అంటే ఈ లాస్ని ఇద్దరు భరించారమ్మా. ఎవరెవరు? ఏబి. అది కూడా ఏ రేషియో? వాళ్ళ క్యాపిటల్ రేషియో, ఈ రేషియోలో అనమాట, 3:2 రేషియోలో. Once again I want to say, the deficiency in insolvent partner account is to be borne by solvent partners in their capital ratio. This is the balance amounts. Yeah. Mr. A took furniture, so debit side we wrote. He also paid bills payable. We wrote it in the credit side 2000. Hope you have seen. The last account what you have to prepare is you have to prepare a cash account. See my dear students, cash opening balance 7000, realization account sale of asset 32000, A introduced realization loss 5340, B introduced 3560 and C estate నుంచి మనకి 540 రూపీస్ రికవర్ అయిందమ్మా. క్రెడిటార్స్ వర్ పేడ్ 22,800, realization expenses 1000, final payment to A 14,384, final payment to B 10,256. మన క్యాష్ అకౌంట్ టాలీ అయిపోయిందమ్మా 48,440 దగ్గర. Like this you have to do my dear students. Very important problem in advanced accounts. My dear students, please do this. Learn something, make use of the class. For making the video, by writing all these notes, it may take hours of time. For the benefit of the students, definitely we the lecturers always doing these kind of videos which are benefited to you. There are many readers in the market, my dear students. There are many readers. You can buy the readers and you can practice. See my dear students, we have to prepare. First we have to see the question. Once again I am showing insolvency of partner. Take a screenshot, copy the question and start doing. Realization account. At this time you might have known about the realization account and the procedure how to do and all. My dear students, please make use of the classes. Okay, like this is realization account. This is the very first account we have to do. Yeah, you can copy it. This may come in exam also, who knows. In case of insolvency of partner, according to Garner versus Murray case, whatever deficiency amount is there in the insolvent partner's capital account, that should be borne by the solvent partners in their capital ratio. Here this is the deficiency 2360. This is borne by A and B in the capital ratio 3:2. 15,000, 10,000. Yeah, okay. Then cash account. Hope this video is very useful to you, my dear students. Please copy the question. Very important. Very important. Number of times I am showing you the question. Number of times I am showing. Okay. Hope you have copied. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you for watching. Make use of the class. God bless you all.